The truth is, there are people who, by eating seeds daily, have supported their joint health, while others still rely on conventional medicine. As we age, many of us face issues such as joint pain, cracking knees, back stiffness, or bones that gradually weaken and become more fragile. But the good news is there's a natural, simple, and safe recipe that may help support stronger bones and more flexible joints after just a short time. You only need one small spoonful every morning before breakfast, and your body may begin to feel the difference. Let's explore this secret together in today's video. The first ingredient in this recipe is flaxseed, a tiny seed but packed with tremendous nutritional value. In today's recipe, we will use about 60 grams, around 2 ounces of flaxseed. This is just the right amount for the body to absorb essential nutrients, while still being gentle on the digestive system, allowing you to enjoy the benefits without feeling overloaded. Flaxseed is well known for being rich in magnesium, manganese, copper, phosphorus, and thiamine, all of which are essential minerals for supporting the development and maintenance of healthy bones and joints. They help keep bones stronger, support joint flexibility, and may help support long-term bone wellness and strength as part of a balanced lifestyle, or against degeneration as we age. Just this one simple ingredient already plays an important role in supporting bone and joint wellness. Next is sesame seeds, a tiny seed but packed with an abundant source of nutrients. Did you know that sesame seeds contain 7 times more calcium than milk? This is exactly why, since ancient times, sesame seeds have been regarded as a golden food for supporting bone health. In this recipe, we will use about 40 grams, around 1.4 ounces of sesame seeds. This is the right amount to provide the body with essential minerals, especially calcium, which supports stronger and more flexible bones. Not only that, sesame seeds also contain many natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help support bone density and reduce the risk of joint discomfort, including conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, which is common among older adults. Have you ever tried adding sesame seeds or flax seeds to your meals? Share your experience in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. The next seed is pumpkin seeds. Small but rich in nutrients and especially supportive of bone and joint health. We will need about 40 grams, around 1.4 ounces of pumpkin seeds, just enough to provide the body with the essential minerals it needs. What makes pumpkin seeds stand out is that they contain many natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Because of this, they may help ease joint discomfort, reduce swelling, and provide good support for those experiencing issues such as stiffness or chronic joint inflammation. In addition, pumpkin seeds also provide zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants, which help support cartilage health, improve flexibility, and may reduce the risk of bone and joint damage caused by aging. When combined with flax seeds and sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds create a triple treasure formula that helps nourish strong bones, may support relief from joint discomfort, and assist in maintaining joint mobility over time. After preparing all the ingredients, put all 3 types of seeds into a mortar and grind them finely. When combined, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds form a nutrient-rich mixture in which the nutrients complement each other, helping to increase their effectiveness many times. Compared to using each seed individually, nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and manganese, along with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, blend to help support the natural function and flexibility of cartilage, strengthen bones, and may ease joint discomfort. After grinding, the mixture has a fine texture, making it easy to combine with the next ingredients to form a natural support recipe for bone and joint health. This is the essential foundation of the formula, contributing to maintaining the flexibility and long-term strength of the skeletal system over time. We've only gone halfway through the process. In the final part, I will reveal to you how to help these ingredients bind closely together to create a complete mixture that may help reduce joint discomfort. The next ingredient is gelatin, a familiar component but extremely useful for joint health. In this recipe, you only need about 1 tablespoon, approximately 10 grams. What makes gelatin stand out is its rich content of natural collagen. Collagen plays an important role in supporting cartilage renewal, may help ease inflammation, soothe joint discomfort, and improve flexibility and movement. When combined with the ground seed mixture, gelatin helps create a smoother consistency and may contribute to supporting cartilage health, making joint movements easier and reducing the risk of stiffness over time. This is a valuable source of nutrition, especially for older adults who often experience dry joint stiffness or prolonged discomfort. Next, we need 50 grams, about 1.7 ounces of raisins, a naturally sweet and easy-to-eat ingredient that hides many benefits for bone and joint health. Raisins are rich in calcium and boron, two important minerals that help support bone density and may contribute to reducing the risk of osteoporosis and joint degeneration. Not only that, raisins may help bring a sense of comfort and relaxation to the back and joints, and they are especially beneficial for women after menopause, a stage when hormone deficiency and bone loss are common. When combined with the seeds and gelatin, raisins add natural sweetness, making the mixture easier to enjoy while also enhancing its overall effectiveness in supporting strong and flexible bones and joints. After having the finely ground mixture of 3 types of seeds, add the gelatin and raisins. Then continue blending for another 30 to 60 seconds until all the ingredients are well combined, creating a mixture that is both flavorful and nutrient-rich. At what time of the year do you usually find yourself experiencing more issues with your joints or immune system? Share in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. The result is a thick mixture with natural sweetness from the raisins combined with collagen in the gelatin and abundant nutrients from the seeds. This forms the essential base that may help support cartilage health and contribute to protecting bones and joints. This step not only increases the nutritional value, but also makes the mixture easier to enjoy, creating the perfect base before adding the final ingredient to complete the recipe. The last step to finish the recipe is 200 grams, about 7 ounces of honey. You can choose the type of honey you like, whether it's wild honey, longanflower honey, or coffee flower honey. All of them bring wonderful benefits. Simply mix the honey into the finely blended mixture and stir until everything blends into a smooth, thick, and elastic paste. Honey not only helps bind the ingredients, but also may provide natural anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. The special thing is that this entire recipe only takes about 5 minutes to prepare, yet the benefits may be noticeable and meaningful for everyday comfort. It may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, ease joint swelling, improve flexibility, and make movement easier. This is a simple, safe, and easy-to-apply tip for daily use both for older adults and for anyone who often experiences joint discomfort. After finishing, place the mixture into a clean glass jar, close it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator to preserve all its nutrients. Every day, simply take 1 tablespoon in the morning before breakfast, and your body will be nourished with a natural source of energy and nutrients that may be good for both your joints and overall health. Many people notice feeling lighter and more comfortable after some time, though results can vary from person to person joint. Discomfort gradually eases with movements becoming more flexible and lighter. This recipe can be enjoyed regularly as part of your daily routine, offering gentle nutritional support for bones and joints. So we now have a very simple natural recipe that may bring wonderful support for joint health. You can also combine it with joint massage oil to further enhance comfort and recovery. Taking care of your joints doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By simply maintaining small, healthy habits, such as adding natural nutrition, gentle movement, and staying consistent each day, you can support your health and enjoy life more fully. I hope today's recipe can become a part of your self-care journey. Wishing you flexibility, good health, and abundant energy at any age. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to press like to support the channel, hit subscribe so you won't miss new recipes, and share your thoughts or personal experiences in the comments below. I truly look forward to reading everyone's stories and spreading natural wellness tips together.